Ah, dang it. Okay, today we're going to learn a little bit about climate. Climate is the weather and the atmosphere. Climate tends to be the temperature and the weather of an area. Okay, and there are four basic climates: hot, cold, dry, and rainy. Hot, cold, dry, and rainy. Okay, whenever we say hot, we are talking about something that is hot, like a desert or a rainforest or any place where the temperature is, elevated. Cold would be the opposite of that, maybe like a mountain, snowy place with higher elevation, place more up north, okay, Canada. Um, Dry is a place with little to no water, with very little water, and it doesn't have any water. Yeah, it's pretty much it. It's dry. Rainy is a place that does have a lot of water. There's a lot of water because it rains or floods. It's wet. Okay, rainy is wet. Now, the thing is with some of these things is that sometimes they can sound a little bit opposite, but oftentimes these climates of these different regions of the earth coexist and coincide together. For example, a place can be hot and dry like the desert, okay? But a place can also be cold and dry. And that place is called a tundra. A tundra is a giant place, it's like a desert, except for ice. Instead of sand, you got a bunch of ice. And it's dry because there's no water. There's no liquid water there. In the desert, there's barely any liquid water, and in the tundra, there's no liquid water either. All of it's frozen. You can't drink it. So it's dry too. It's not wet. And it kind of breaks your brain because you're like, but one place is hot and it's got no water. One place is cold and it's got no water. But things like that can happen. Another thing with the rainy and hot and cold is that the rainforest, it can be hot. Rainforest is pretty hot. It gets very temperate depending on the time of year. And it's also wet, even though it is hot. It might not be as hot as the desert, but it still can get very hot. Um, and there are places where things are very cold, but also rains a lot too. So you can see that both of these different types of climates, all these different types of climates can coexist together in the same spot. And oftentimes, most of the time, you will not find them separate, actually. You will find them together making different climates. Like I just said, tundra, it's dry, but it's cold. Desert, it's hot, but it's dry. You will find them together. You won't find them separate. So, at home, go and look at like a heat map. Go look at a heat map of wherever you live, what state or what country you live in, and see the different spots and where it's cold and where it's hot, and see if it's dry over there or if it's wet over there. And see if it surprises you that some places might be dry or wet, or might be dry and wet at different points of the year. And another thing, how does the temperature and the climate, it being dry, wet, hot or cold, affect your clothing? Whenever it's hot, do you wear a jacket? Whenever it's cold, do you wear nothing? I hope not. Stay in school.